Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongmudui mukadduma persya ya ke sorkar Halor ke Jingjalai ki kamti bat khayi Dewïong Be-Aiñ champa sangma ha ke si baar ulapan isendan ke video bat ke dur hakmat ki nong bishar ke Meghalaya High Court ban pen pau perthai ke Jingïaid jalai ki kamti bat khayi Dewïong Be-Aiñ ha ke ni ke jela lingba ka video la pau ba ka kamti bat khayi Dewïong Be-Aiñ ke dang yad ha ki district paper kom ka West Khasi Hills, South West Khasi Hills, East Jingtih Hills bat South Garo Hills. Ha ka benta ka baar usang mau lawan ra de ki dur la ne ki satellite images na ki jaka paper ban pen iya ka jinglum thop yo Dewïong ubadang sudapti. Ha ko hukum balapan mi da ka High Court menta ka singi la ong ba kumba ka pau na ka take video la iya ka Jingtih Dewïong Be-Aiñ henry na ka yang deputy commissioner ka South Garo Hills ubala dan haying bishar bat ubala pet lang ya ka video ula ong bau tau Dewïong uday ubala dep ban kurup da ki bor ba day kmi. Uniu Deputy Commissioner uladan mentaha South Garo Hills la hendriu benai. Laban kedaw ba ka National Green Tribunal kala khang yang ke Jingtih Dewïong ka ba klem yad kat kum ki kendon bat ya kania lapan scam ru da ka Supreme Court. Wala kat taru ka High Court kala ong ba na kapor sa kapor. Gilat pathai kubor jom ke jela kilala ban pen I ba ka Jingtih ba Jingkit Dewïong Be-Aiñ ke rang yad bat wat ki nong let nong wan ru QE ke jingbon ki jaka ba lum thop yo Dewïong. Shok ka High Court kala ong ba wat hadian khatsan banai jong ka jingpen mi ya ki hukum ka khlam la banwan ra ya ka nu ka jingkala bat ba ka jingkhayi Dewïong Be-Aiñ kala tur shadu sha Assam le si kan jin dala bha banwan ra no da ka Central Bureau of Investigation la ne CBI ba kan to kit no Halor ki jingkan no ki bayade ka Jingtih bat jingkhayi Dewïong Be-Aiñ ha ka wei pat kalyang na kalyang Nongmudui ulapan pau ba u sngow shap tiang ya ka jingnong shngan ka jingem jong u hadian ba lawan ra ya ka ni ka mukadduma ka High Court kala ong balada ja ya ki Nongmudui ki bala ai mukadduma persya ya ka Jingtih jingkhayi Be-Aiñ ya Dewïong la ne ka jingdan ki karkhana thang Dewïong Be-Aiñ ka sorkar kan haban ba kli mentangin ya snap ya ka jingbatay na kalyang muktiar u bala mi khmat yo champa sangma usuji de ha ka bayade bat ka ni ka mukadduma.
My client, Mr. Champal, who has filed a PIL before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, wherein we have alleged that Hima has exported around 174,000 plus metric ton of coal via Gasopara. And this coal, as per the allegation of my client, are all illegally extracted coal from the various part of the state. However, Hima claim is that these are all coal from outside the state of Meghalaya. But till date, Hima failed to show us or show to the Honorable Court the source of the coal, the origin of the so as per the last order today, the videos which we have received from the whistleblowers has been played before the Honorable High Court, and the Honorable High Court, after hearing both the parties into the matter, has passed an order whereby the state should show cause through a high official as to why the court should still have any confidence in the police or the administrative machineries in the state to ensure that the illegal mining of coal is completely brought to a stop and its illegal transportation prohibited. The fact of the case is this, as per the allegation of my client, that the entire scam which took place via Gasopara was in twofold. It was pre-11-2022 and post-11-2022. In this period, 174,725 metric ton of coal was exported by using the e-way bill of Hima by the various exporter. Now this coal which was exported had generated 131 crores rupees plus rupees in favor of Hima, and those coal which was exported by the Gasopara LCS appears to be illegally extracted from various different sources within the state of Meghalaya. Now, as per the information that we have received, that the coal are still being extracted in various parts of the state, and we have displayed today before the Honorable Court also how illegal extraction and illegal transportation of coal is being carried out. So the Honorable Court has directed the state to show cause. That is one part. And the other part is this: the court has also given us the liberty to further gather materials, if possible, to highlight how illegal coal is being extracted and transported. The case, which had started from Gasopara LCS, appears to be a scam which was carried out by Hima. That is the allegation of my client. It is very disturbing to see that such a huge quantity of coal has been exported to Bangladesh via Gasopara. But when we have filed an RTI, we came to know that there are different figures which are coming out from the RTI. And it is also very unfortunate to see that the weighbridge which is functioning in the line of Gasopara, they say they don't have any record of the coal entering to the state of Meghalaya. That has created more doubt in our mind. Since the matter is sub judice before the Honorable Court, it will not be proper for me to comment much than this. However, the matter will be listed after a week, and if we gather some more evidence, we will place before the Honorable Court. So the Honorable Court will decide whether the matter can be handed over to CBI, since some portion of the act has been committed outside the state of Meghalaya.